Ooh. Hi friends, what's up? It's Melanie. If you could see by the title of this video, I have some updating to do, so I'm not gonna hold you back. We're gonna get straight into this, but basically, I think I've hinted this a couple times, maybe on my Instagram, a little bit on my YouTube channel, but this is the first time I'm officially mentioning it. Soon, very, very soon actually, in less than like 11 days. Will this even be up in 11 days? I'm gonna have to make sure it's up in less than 11 days. I will be flying somewhere, moving somewhere across the country. I'm beyond excited. I've never been to this place before, and I'm doing a little teasing. Sorry guys, it's actually less than 11 days because I'm just starting to film this video now. Actually, you probably won't have to wait that long, but I love to see you guys' guesses and whatnot, so it's fun. It's like a little reveal. I will be going somewhere for the next semester for school, actually, and you will hear a lot more about like my living situation and whatnot. I plan on doing a lot more vlogs. Before we even get there to all the juicy good stuff, we have to do the terrible thing, which is packing. It's not terrible when, well, it was still terrible when I had a full car of stuff and I brought it, like drove it down to Malibu, but like now I have to fit it all into 2 check-ins plus space because I am counting on shopping. We are just getting started now, so this is gonna be fun. Here's a nice grand view of my closet. I know it makes more sense to just like, as I was unpacking from school the first time, like just throw whatever I want to bring with me into the suitcase directly, but like instead I decided to put like everything away and then like repack. So like I know I'm making more work for myself, but it's fine. I asked for some packing advice and most people said pack warm. Here's a little hint, okay? Weather similar to Seattle. Lots of rain. Gonna be cold. So my brain is like sweaters, coat, which is really difficult because coats take up so much room. Like I could literally pack 2 coats and I swear my suitcase would be full. So with that, my goal is to like vacuum seal stuff, which I mean, you guys saw my vacuum sealing adventures before. You're gonna see them again, but let's start off. I think we're just gonna do a lot of basics. So I'm thinking a couple of these. Low key, I'm kind of not planning, but I'm kind of guessing these are gonna go out of style. So maybe just like 2 of them. But this is one of, you only know this if you shop at Brandy a little too much like me, but there's 2 types of this one. One where it's like thicker material and one where it's thinner. So I'm bringing the thick one because I'm planning on being cold. I think I'm gonna do jackets later because I can't even like wrap my head around that. I should really do this a little more strategically. Right now I'm kind of just grabbing random stuff. We do what we do, okay guys? I think I grabbed a couple other basics a little bit earlier, like pants and stuff. So I have that zip up. I'm gonna bring another zip up. Maybe like, what are we thinking? Black? Black? Black. Black sounds yellow. Black. Gray? Oh, this is not the right one. Where'd it go? Guys, I'm actually too short for my own closet. There we go. Okay. Oopsies, something fell down. I think this is a sign that I need to pack hoodies. I don't know. I keep saying this. I'm trying really, really hard. Oh my god. I don't know how that happened. I'm trying really hard to do like a capsule wardrobe or just like, you know, really downsize my closet. Because like, first off, I have no choice. Second off, I think I would actually dress better. And I know I say this every time. Like I said this when I moved to Huntington. I said this when I moved to school. And I didn't even, like I packed a lot when I went to school and I didn't wear all of it. And I was like, I'm stupid. Why did I do that? But I guess we live and we learn. Okay, now I want to bring this jacket. I think it's fun. Let's do the sweaters. Maybe I should have made like a Pinterest board. Then I would have known what like aesthetic I'm going for or something. Might have been helpful. I'm not really sure. I'm thinking this sweater. I've really been vibing with it recently. I think it's pretty cute. Thrifted. I'm packing a couple like button-ups because I use these as cardigans sometimes. So I have a white one and a gray, or why did I call this gray? Brown one right now. Flannel. I feel like we'll be wearing a flannel there, right? I'll bring this. I like it. I feel like I should bring a couple dresses. I'm just gonna bring this one. Chances are it's probably gonna be too cold, but like leggings, under a dress maybe. I don't know. I'm bringing this too. Even it's kind of similar to the other one, but I think I just like it. It looks artistic. I'm thinking this button up also, and maybe I'll call it good after this just because I want it to be I want to look a little more mature. And I feel like this little business thing I got going is working with it. It's gonna be a pain to pack t-shirts. I already know, but I'll bring this one. I like this one a lot. Like a kind of a baby tee. And I'm stretching the neck out. Jeez, oh my god. Sorry, that was painful. second row is where it gets hard because that's where all my like stuff is. This was, oh my gosh, I keep dropping stuff. This was my mom's. This fell down, so I guess we're gonna bring it. Leather jacket. Yes. I don't know how to pack that though, but I guess we're gonna have to figure that out. Puffer. I want a mini puffer. Ooh, that, yeah, this sweater. It's cute. The 2 sweater vests I own. And then, what are we thinking? This, nah, this, nah. Ooh, this, and this. Yes, because you layer this under everything. This I just got from Target, and I think it's very cute. Fits the aesthetic. Yeah, okay. Alright, well, I think that was actually a little, like, too easy. There's no way I'm done, is all I'm saying. I don't even want to think about, like, folding this right now. So we're just... It's called removing the problem so that we can sleep and then worry about it tomorrow. Okay, guys, so... Next day. I don't know if there was snow out here yesterday, but look, there's snow out here now. It's actually kind of gorgeous. The snow actually gives me really, really good lighting. So I'm a fan. I was thinking I was gonna finish packing my clothes today, but then I was like, I actually still need like bras and underwear and stuff, so I'm not gonna pack that till closer to, because I actually still have like 10 days. Why do I look so freaking pale right now? So I have a lot of time, kind of, but I'm gonna pack some like accessories and stuff that I don't use every single day, because then I was like, that's probably smart, because those things take a lot of time actually. I also wanted to shout out, based on some rookie mistakes that I made when packing for college, I brought like 5 books. I read zero of them and ended up coming back with 2 more books. So this time I'm actually narrowing it down. I'm gonna bring the Bible, of course. I'm also gonna bring 2 books. I'm bringing A Little Life in the other room because I don't know, like I've shoved some stuff in the other room that I'm gonna end up packing later. I'm not gonna show you guys me actually folding stuff because I figured that's boring. Also, sorry I'm rambling, but if you want to see everything that I actually pack, like layouts of the clothes and whatever, I'm gonna do a condensed little TikTok of that later, just because this is more of me talking and you guys supporting me through the camera as I do it. Because honestly, if I don't film, then I'm not gonna pack till the night before. So let's do some jewelry and makeup. Jeez, I'm everywhere. I haven't been this bad for a while. A Little Life, because I don't know, maybe if I'm like sad about school or something, I'll read it. And then I'm bringing, what's the other one I'm bringing? I have to go find it now because it's actually kind of bothering me. This is the other stuff that I have packed. I don't know who put this here. I didn't put this here. I have some pants here. I have some like beanies, earmuffs that I got for Christmas, little like filming stuff. The only room decor I'm bringing is this. It's actually all mushroom stuff. That mushroom, and then this mushroom tapestry from some Pepperdine friends. It's so cute. And then are my microphones, my little safety thingy. And I have some like Polaroid photos I'm gonna bring. Was I showing you the book? Oh, I'm bringing this planner too. It's like Christmas gifts. Where'd the book go? Ah, oh, this one. Orbiting Jupiter. Because look, she's kind of skinny. Anyways, we're gonna pack makeup and like hair / jewelry accessories. I have so much makeup, it'll last me forever, so I can actually pack this now and it'll be fine probably, because I don't wear a whole lot of makeup. Same with skincare, honestly. Like when I went to school, I had my like home skincare and then my college skincare, which probably is not the best thing because that means that it's probably like rotting here or something, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get some bags. I really don't know why I just left this running. I'm gonna be using this thing, ColourPop, for my brushes. I thought it'd be good because like they won't get all crumpled, but also, and I could just use them as 2 separate cups. One can hold pens, one can hold brushes, but I'm gonna do that later because I use the same brushes pretty much every day. So for the stuff that I can pack now, this eyeshadow palette, because it's kind of freaking awesome and I use it like a lot. I used it today. And I wear eyeshadow sometimes when I'm feeling it. I feel like I should probably bring, like fun, okay, no. This is what happened last time. I was like, should I bring some fun stuff? I wore makeup once there and I didn't even wear makeup. I wore like foundation once. So Melanie needs to chill, but I think that she can bring a light. Why am I talking about myself in 3rd person right now? Bring this, bring this, bring this. This is not going well already. This was a mistake. This is like embarrassing. I'm definitely going back on my word right now because I talked about how I wasn't gonna pack a lot of stuff and now I'm just throwing crap in here. But whatever. I'm gonna bring like the stuff that I usually use too, but this is just some of my extra like fun stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm such a big fat liar. You're so gonna. I feel like I want to bring at least one colored eyeshadow palette because sometimes when I feel like being a little more exciting, I'll put colored eyeliner on or something. So I'm kind of thinking this one, Juvia's. Okay, I think we're doing okay. I just broke something. Just wait till we get to the accessories. That's when we all like lose our shit. If I only bring one foundation, I'm thinking, do I want it to be like a tinted more? Probably like a tinted, like this guy. That's what I'm bringing. This is my little makeup bag right now. This bag is also awesome because it's from Sephora. It's see-through, so you can see all the junk I'm bringing. Okay, it's not junk. It's great stuff. Now, this is gonna be tough because look how, oh, so much stuff. But I want to bring this. This is from Christmas from my mom. Of course, we're gonna need some clips. This one for sure. The green one? Yeah, the green one. I like hair scarves. I should bring like one hair scarf. I always think I'm gonna wear them more than I do, I think, but I'll bring this one. This is nice. It was already packed from school, but it just has like bobby pins and stuff. The one scrunchie I bring, I'll bring these two actually. That was just a lie. Ooh, I have these butterfly I'm gonna bring a couple of these, maybe not all of them. Sometimes it's nice to have more scrunchies because I use them when I sleep and stuff, but I'm actually not gonna do that right now. Okay, 3 hair clips, that's good, right? Everyone also says to leave room because you're gonna like buy stuff there, but then I'm sitting here like, how do you think I'm gonna have room left? Like, that's really funny. I think I'm gonna bring these pearl ones too. I want mini clips like this one, this little tiny one. Can you even see what I'm grabbing right now? Ooh, these are cute too. Okay, we're not doing great anymore. This is really embarrassing, but like, the thing is, I feel like when you wear these, you wear them on both sides of your head, but then they're not matching. Are they just supposed to be not matching? I don't know. Someone tell me. Aha! There we go. I actually love these. I think I mentioned this in my packing for college or something video, but I always use these little things that come with, they usually come with jewelry from like small businesses and stuff, but I always reuse them for packing accessories. Super helpful. I feel like if I wear these, I will probably be wearing pink ones, right?
That makes sense.
Or the yellow one. These are all like slightly different shades of pink and it's really inconveniencing me right now. I'll bring the pink ones and the yellow ones because this is what happens. I start off, this is why I have to pack over the span of like a week, because every day I start off strong. I'll like, no, Melanie, you're a minimalist, don't pack a lot of stuff, and then by the end of the freaking time like packing, I'm just shoving everything that can fit. But I think this is not too bad, right? Unfortunately, there's been a little tornado in my room, aka called filming a video, but I actually fine with it because I picked out a cute outfit. So I'm gonna show you my outfit because I didn't know what to wear tonight. Tonight I'm going to this like museum art exhibit. You've probably seen it everywhere. It's the Van Gogh one, and I didn't know what to wear, but now I know. But I did create this mess, and now I don't even know what I'm packing. So that's for me to figure out. But let's pack accessories now. Oh, and skincare, yes. Okay, so making my way over to my jewelry stuff. This is what we're working with. I realized when I went to school in Malibu that I kind of brought way too much because I basically brought this whole thing, and that was kind of stupid on my part. So I think I'm just gonna grab some of these. Let's limit it to 3 of these chunky necklaces. Are we thinking red? I also have this other fun one in my closet that I really like. Oh my gosh, the lighting in here is atrocious. Also kind of fun. I think we're gonna do the red one. I like this one too. It's okay. The style we're going for is a little bit different here because I feel like I was kind of doing that little beachy thing when I was in Malibu, but now I'm going for a more like minimal, a little more classy something of these. And then I want some of these gold ones that I think I'm just gonna do the same gold layer set because that's what I found the easiest. Like realistically, even if I bring all my gold stuff, I don't wear all of it. So I'll do those 2. Should I bring the M? I'll bring the M. That's it, Melanie. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. Over here, last time I literally brought all these earrings, and let me tell you, that was stupid because you probably don't know unless you have a bunch of piercings. Unless you have a bunch of piercings like me, but realistically, you're not gonna want to change your piercings every day. It's so much work. Also, by the way, I bought these, but it was so helpful. I got little like Ziploc bags to package my jewelry because I swear I tried really hard to do that straw thing and it was actually like the worst thing ever because it took so long and it did nothing for me. So I just take one of these little Ziploc baggies, open it, and then I usually put like 1, sometimes 2 necklaces in it.
Oh gosh.
It's already tangled, guys. To prevent this, basically. Oh my god. Pop it in there like it's hot. For earrings, I'm just gonna limit myself. At most, I feel like I'll change the big hoop, or I'll change all of them maybe like once a semester when I really feel like changing my personality or something. And then for rings, I'm gonna use one of these. I say yeah. Everyone asks, I got it from Goodwill. Unfortunately, I really wish I could tell you where it's actually from. That's probably good. I rarely change into silver earrings, so I think I'm just gonna not. I might regret it. These jade heart ones, these big gold hoops that I bought and never wore yet. These are kind of fun. I'm bringing the cherry one. Okay, well now at this point in time, I think we're doing pretty well. I have a random pile of jewelry, and that's okay. I think we're gonna call it good for now and for this video. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me. The lighting's bad here. We're racing because it's getting dark 3 here. But thank you guys so much for coming with me and helping me pack. If you want to keep up with me as I fly across the country, be sure to subscribe and check out my other socials because I'll be posting a lot on there too. Other than that, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you. I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily. Okay.